Okay, so folks wanted to hear the difference of the shutters of the XPRO series. So we have the XPRO 1, XPRO 2, XPRO 3. All same settings, basically, thousandth of a second, f8. Now it's f8. Doesn't matter, of course, because it's in manual focus, shooting into nothing. But here we go. Let's hear the shutter. That's all I got. Next is the motor drive. Okay, so I've changed them all into continuous shooting. So you basically have 6 frames, 8 frames, 11 frames per second. So the sound will make a bit of a difference in what you perceive to be quietest. It was really tough because I think it was between the XPRO 1 and the XPRO 3. The XPRO 2 has almost a little neat sort of squeak and personality to it. But here we go in the motor drive. Now, the concerto. Bum, bum.